Hi everybody, welcome back. Today on my channel I'll be showing you all how to prepare an extremely simple one-pot chicken stir fry. This recipe comes together in no time and it is my family's favorite dinner time recipe. So let's get started. This recipe goes so fast, so you need everything prepped and ready to go. So let's start with the sauce. In a bowl we have brown sugar, to which I will add crushed garlic and grated ginger. To it you add corn flour, pepper as well as some chili flakes. Then you add in some chicken broth or vegetable broth along with soy sauce, dark or light, oyster sauce and some sesame oil. Then quickly just whisk all these ingredients together so that the sugar dissolves. Now let's move on to the other ingredients. Slice the white button mushrooms into thick slices. Thinly slice the onions. You can use red onions or white onions. I prefer red, so I have used red. Cut the chicken into small 3/4 inch bite-sized pieces and season lightly with black pepper. Once you have all your ingredients prepped and ready to go, you then heat a large wok or a skillet over a medium-high heat with 1 tablespoon of oil. Now you add in your chicken and cook for 1 minute undisturbed. Then stir fry for 5 minutes until golden or just cook through. Remove the chicken in a bowl and keep it aside. In the same skillet over medium-high heat, add 1 tablespoon oil. Add in the thinly sliced onions, the mushroom and the broccoli florets and stir fry for 5 minutes until the mushrooms are softened, and then you can reduce the heat. We'll now add in the stir-fry sauce. Give the sauce a quick stir in case there was settling and add it to the skillet. Simmer the sauce over medium-low heat for about 3 to 4 minutes until thickened, as well as the garlic and ginger have mellowed in flavor. You can then return the chicken to the pan and stir it until heated through. This is optional, but you can garnish it with some toasted sesame seeds as well. There you go. Serve it over some hot white fluffy rice and enjoy. So here you go guys, it's all done and let's taste. Let's see how it turned out. Moment of truth. Big chunk of chicken, broccoli and some rice. Perfection. It's really good. I'm sure you're going to enjoy this and your family will love it as well. Do give it a try. It's very easy. It comes together all within an hour. In fact, I took about half an hour to prepare the entire recipe. So guys, if you all enjoyed this recipe, do not forget to give me a like and do share your comments so that I know where I can improve as well. And if you all have any thoughts as to what I should make next, do not hesitate to drop a comment in the box below. The ingredients and the instructions will be in the description box. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe and hit the bell button so that you are notified every time I post a new video. Thank you so much. Do check out my other videos. The links will definitely be somewhere here. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe.